In this video, I am going to show you how to get the YouTube TV free trial in Japan. Since YouTube TV is only officially available in the United States, you'll need to use a virtual private network, VPN, to access it. Start by subscribing to a reputable VPN service that offers US-based servers. Then download and install the app on your device. Connect to a server located in the United States to mask your Japanese IP address. Once connected, open the YouTube TV website or app and sign up for the free trial using a valid payment method that supports international transactions. You may also need to create a US Google account if required during the sign-up process. Be aware that some features, like local channels, might not work outside the US, and streaming quality can depend on your internet speed and the VPN's performance. Once set up, you can enjoy live TV and on-demand content during your free trial. If this video helped you access YouTube TV in Japan, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.